Hey everyone, Terry with Conveyor and Caster today, talking about a pretty simple but really interesting solution we came up with a customer. Had someone come to me, they had a number of different issues with their current process. For one, all day long, their workers were lifting off a machine and palletizing. A lot of bending and stretching. That's not good. Secondarily, once their pallet was loaded, they'd have to wait for a forklift to come along, and they take it to another location where they repeat this process over 2 more times. So you got people bending over and fighting with materials all day, and you're also waiting on a forklift and also creating some more forklift traffic for your facility. So pretty simple solution. We can do all sorts of conveyor or lifting technologies, but this one was a pretty simple and I thought pretty clever solution. What we did here is, instead of having an automated conveyor system, was just do a heavy-duty cart with ergonomic casters. So we had this oversized cart that's big enough for the materials, 3,000 pounds capacity, and also we outfitted this with state-of-the-art ergonomic precision casters. This has an ergonomic polyurethane aluminum core with sealed precision bearings. So this allows them to unload their machine, load this cart, and then move it on to the next process easily. They don't have to wait on a forklift. People aren't bending over all day. So we're really happy with it and really excited to see how it works in the field.